Hello and welcome to my loft, and today I want to give you a grand tour of my railway set. Now dear viewer, I would really appreciate if you could watch this video all the way to the end, because it will really help me with my YouTube standings. If I'm very lucky, in the sort of future, I might be able to get some money from YouTube, and at the current rate I would be earning at least $1 an hour. Anyway, enjoy. This part here is my favourite view. As you can see, it's got the station. Unfortunately, these houses have gone a little bit pink due to the sunlight UV damage. A busy main line, and you can see fields which are really easy to make and much cheaper. And I like on the side, as you can see, that I've put a raised bank and some slopes just so it can fit in my loft, which of course got a slopey roof. A little town, and of course mirrors to the side just to make the whole loft look slightly larger. I like the tunnel just to give that appearance that there's more to the railway than there actually is. A workable swimming pool that does hold water, really built for my children so they can play with their toys in it. A quick look around everything. Quick view, and hopefully not too much wobble. My favourite view. You can see my back scene. Unfortunately, one day it was really quite humid and it all has got a bit damp. That's the trouble with the loft. And what is the point of cotton wool? Looks a bit like a cloud, covers up the edges. It was quite difficult to put this scene up. You can see that I've put Celotex, which is insulation material, over the rafters. Makes so much difference. Not too cold in the winter, not too hot in the summer. And of course, so important, Velux windows. So when it's too hot, you can let out the heat, as well as, of course, natural light. And light bulbs provide both heat and lighting. There's no other heating in here, but light bulbs are more than enough. This is how the lights are put into the buildings. Since I have over 120 buildings, it's much easier to do it this way. Not perfect, but good enough. And excitement for the railway modellers, the new line that's going in. The only seat in the loft, and also it enables me to climb onto the roof through the window. Because I can run almost 100 trucks and 170 coaches with 27 different trains all at the same time, it's very important that they don't uncouple, because if anything uncouples, you end up with crashes. And so you can see I have tied together many of the coaches and trucks. And to be honest, if I look at it, it looks a bit like brake pipes. a little scenery in a corner, tunnels just to hide or try and hide a steep corner. Another tunnel and hillside just to hide a steep corner. I do like the little scenery I have put up. Again, a tunnel to hide the steep corner. The all-important switchboard. I can control, I think, 72 points from here. One of 8 stations. Medium level detail, Metcalf. Hornby plastic, yes, in the distance. My terminus, not super detailed, but good enough since I spent far too long playing and not making, as well as, unfortunately, I just don't have the skills to make these really detailed models that other models can do. I have about 20 tunnel entrances. So you can see I've put them in so it looks slightly better, as behind all that wall there is all my camping stuff. The wife won't let me put all the sleeping bags and mats into a damp garage. One of my favourite views, Hornby Virgin Pendolinos. Of course, they have a new livery now. Plenty of sidings and more scenery. With this built by my daughters, and the whole thing is manoeuvrable and can be removed if I need access. More houses built by my 2 daughters when they were 7 and 9. A little bit of scenery to try and hide the rafters. I did inquire about how much it would cost to remove these rafters. Far too expensive. The cliff top railway needs a little bit of attention one day. As you can see, everything has been squeezed in between the rafters. My high-speed tracks, really broad corners to get high speed. Pendolinos at a scale speed of 140 miles an hour. If only the track speed could be raised. Pendolinos at TGV speed, about 186 miles an hour. The all-important controllers. That's a grand tour of my railway set in the loft. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do like and subscribe. It's taken 4 hours, or will have taken 4 hours to produce this video, and please watch the outtake. There's something funny that went a bit wrong. Hope to see you another day. Bye.